Hello student of class 7, let's continue our chapter respiration in organism, and today we will discuss an activity, and in this activity we will try to know during the process of respiration how heat is released. Already I discussed with you about respiration. There are two kinds of respiration: internal respiration and external respiration. Internal respiration takes place inside our cell, and in this process glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide, water, and energy. External respiration takes place on our lungs, and it contains inhalation of air and exhalation of air. But remember, in the process of respiration always heat is released, so we will understand this from this activity. Material required for this activity: some germinating seeds, 2 conical flask, 2 thermometers, and 2 one-hole stoppers. Procedure: step number 1. At first we will divide the germinates into 2 equal portions. Boil one portion to stop further germination, because when we will boil, the cell of the seeds will die, and this we have to transfer into the conical flask A. Step number 2, the seeds whatever we have not boiled, so transfer the germinating seeds into conical flask B. Make sure the seeds are moist. Now close each flask tightly with a stopper. Insert a thermometer. Close each flask tightly with a stopper. Insert a thermometer through the hole in each stopper such that the bulb of the thermometer is fully surrounded by the seeds. After that, we will record the initial temperature on each thermometer. Now we will leave the flask undisturbed for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we will record the temperature of the seeds in each flask. And this process we will keep continue for at regular intervals for 2 days. We will observe that the temperature rises for conical flask B and remains same for conical flask A. We can conclude that boiled seeds cannot germinate as they are not alive, so no respiration takes place in flask A. But the germinating seeds in flask B are alive and they carry out respiration. Due to respiration, heat is produced in conical flask B, and that increases its temperature. So from this activity we can understand that heat is released during the process of respiration, because we know that the seeds also contain many cells, and inside the cell respiration process is going on, and in respiration process heat is released. That is why we can see in flask B heat is released, but in flask A heat is not released. Here the cell are die, so if cell are die, then no respiration will take place.